Paano nga ba mag-livestream? Gamit ang dalawang phone. Yung isa ay ang iyong webcam. I will show you how to livestream using two phones. And use one phone as a webcam. Like and subscribe to my channel and thank you in advance. First, install the Cam on live streaming app on the Play Store. Make sure to install this on the phone that you will use as a webcam. Now go to the settings. And scroll down. You will see information. Now tap on information. From here, you will need to copy this IP address. We will need it for Streamlabs Mobile. By the way, you can go back to settings and camera options. Make sure to use the front camera so you can see yourself while streaming. Let's go to the other phone and install Streamlabs Mobile. Step 1. Go to the three lines on the upper right. Then select Streaming Settings. Scroll down and make sure the Draw on Top option is enabled. Or, Permission Granted. Now let's go back and select Editor. Here we can add layers for our stream. This is where we will put our IP address for the webcam. Add a custom item. And select Add URL. Oh yeah, I forgot I will add a image. For additional layer to look better. Let's go back to Add URL. From here you will need to erase the HTTPS and just put the IP address that we copied earlier. Now let's position the camera. Also, make sure that both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Since we have a layer and a place for the camera, add your phone screen and place it where you want it to be. In my case I will put it here. Make sure that the screen share and camera are at the bottom, so that the image layer is on top. Once you go live, this is what it looks like. I hope you like my videos and I will make more of these tutorials and practice how to make it better. Thanks for the support. If you are new here, please like and subscribe.